Hi, I'm Allie Dosdell, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the envelope making feature of the Works tool. First, you're going to pull off the stamping tool. Then you're going to get your envelope guide out from underneath the tool from the convenient storage spot. And if you'll notice, there are measurement guides on the front, and if you flip it over, you've got instructions on the back. So that is really convenient when you're making your envelope. So you'll start by selecting the envelope size, and I'm going to make a 4.5 by 5.5 inch envelope, and that tells me that I need to cut my paper to 7 7/8 inch by 7 7/8 inch. So I've already gone ahead and done that. Then you're going to take the envelope guide and line it up on the board with the envelope indicator. Next, you'll get your scoring knife out and get that ready to go. Slide your paper under the track for the blade and line it up on the guide according to the chart, whatever measurement you need. Mine is 3 5/8, so I'm going to place mine right there at 3 5/8. And then we're going to take the scoring tool and we're going to score on the 2-inch line there. And that will be the case with every size envelope that you make. You'll always use the 2-inch mark there. Then we're going to rotate 90 degrees, and we're going to use this score line as our guide and line it up on the score guide on the board. And then we're going to again use the 2-inch mark to score. Once you've done that, you're going to bring your paper over here to the punch, and you're going to line up these score lines right in that guide there and punch. Then rotate and punch, and you'll continue that process until you've punched all 4 sides. Now you're going to round your corners on the back part of this punch to get a nice finished look. And then you're ready to assemble your envelope. Use the bone folder from your scoring knife to get a nice crease. Next, you're just going to add some adhesive to the sides. Fold the bottom up, and then you'll crease that top. And use your bone folder, and your envelope is finished. How easy is that? So if you want to learn more about the Works tool and the different features that it has, be sure to check out our YouTube channel. Thanks for joining me.